Today, I want to tell you a story about a witch who loses her hat, her bow, and her wand. And about all the new friends she meets on her journey. Gather round closely. Children to the front, please. Oh, I think we're missing someone. Ah, there you are, Cat. Are you two making a spell?
Yes. Iggity, ziggity, zaggity, zoom!
Oh my goodness! Everybody, get down! Oh, that was close!
The witch had a cat, and a very tall hat, and long ginger hair, which she wore in a plait.
Open a secret bookcase! Magical! Pretty everyone, follow Witch and Cat. Enjoy the adventure.
How the cat bird and how the witch grinned as they sat on their broomstick and flew from the wind. And how the witch wailed and how the cat spat when the wind blew so wildly it blew off her hat. Cried the witch, flew to the ground.
We keep going?
Yeah.
I am a dog, as keen as can be.
I am a bird, as green as can be. Is there room on the broom for a bird like me?
Looks like Witch's bow has fallen into a haystack. Can you find it?
I am a frog, as clean as can be. Is there room on the broom for a frog like me?
Oh dear me! Oh, that's the Witch's wand. Take the hat.
There's the frog. Oh no, it's not.
Buzz off! That's my wish! Buzz off! That's my wish!
I made a mistake. It's nice to have met you, but now
He spread out his wings and was off. Let's go.
Thank you! Oh, thank you!
The grateful witch cried.
Without you, I'd be in that dragon's